Hello, welcome back again to course creation. Today we'll be looking at quiz. How do you add quiz to your course? So I've moved my mouse in here and this pops up. Remember, if your mouse is out, it's gonna look just the plus, but when you bring it here, you're going to see the options. So I'm going to hit on add quiz, and you can be able to drag this quiz anywhere you want it, any lecture you want to associate your quiz to. Or you can just keep the quiz at the end of your lecture anywhere. So maybe I just want this quiz to be here. Okay, maybe after each lecture I'll just give one quiz. After each lecture I will give a quiz. After each lecture I will give a quiz. So I hope that is okay. Or I'll go ahead and keep the quiz to be the end. After the students have finished whole lectures, I'll go ahead and give my quiz. No matter the number I want, I can give up to 50, 60, 100, a million. It's just my choice. So I'm going to take this section 3. It's going to be quiz. After the lecture 5. Remember, you can drag this anywhere you want them. So I'm going to keep lecture 5 inside here. So under section 3, I'll start creating my quiz, or anywhere I want it to be, depending on how I want my quiz to be created. So go ahead and hit on new quiz. And the quiz title is going to be microcontroller. Microcontroller projects. Questions. So microcontroller project question is the title of this quiz. Go ahead and hit on create quiz. Come on. Alright, now I have succeeded in creating the quiz called microcontroller project questions. I will go ahead and hit on edit. Alright, so now that I have hit on edit, you can still go ahead and choose your category, quiz. Alright, I'll go ahead and remove this from here. So the name of this quiz, we have different quiz types. So the name of this quiz is gonna be, this is question 1. This is question 1. Okay. So go ahead and hit the settings. I'm going to drag this down. So you have a subtitle of the quiz. Question 1 is going to be, I'm going to say this is first question. So that is the subtitle. And the connected course. So connect in a quiz with a course would force the quiz to be available to users who have taken the course. So we are connecting this quiz with our microcontroller. This is the course that we are making this quiz for, in case if you have many courses. So this is going to force every user to take this quiz. So it's a must. So the duration of this quiz in minutes, enable timer and the auto submit on expire. So I'm going to say that this should be 10 minutes. So anytime you put that, go ahead and check the parameter to be 10 minutes. And the auto evaluate results. So evaluate results as soon as quiz is completed. No large text questions, disable from manual, evaluate. So auto evaluation. So your quiz will auto evaluated because you will not be doing that on your own. So it's automatically down. So the next thing is number of extra quiz retake. So this is gonna, students can reset and start the quiz all over again. So in case if a student fails your quiz, How many times can the student retake the quiz before he gets his certificate? Let me say the student has like 10 times or 1000 times to retake the quiz. So the post quiz message. So this is the message that will be displayed whenever the students have finished the whole quiz and got 100 over 100. I want to say, come on, great. You have completed this quiz and have shown how good you are with this course on engineering students projects is a microcontroller. Thank you. So this is the when a student has finished the whole quiz, this is the message the student will receive. So add check answer switch. So if you want a student to always check the answer whenever he takes the quiz, you can just go ahead and put it. Yeah, I want the students to take it. So you need dynamic quiz. So whenever you've arranged a quiz, it can come in anyhow, just like a random quiz. So you can randomize your quiz. So whenever you've done this, so you can leave this the way they are and go ahead and go to your questions. Remember, what you've done so far is settings. So go ahead and hit questions. Come on. All right. So you can now start creating questions. So in the next tutorial, I'll start taking us on step-by-step creation of the questions. We have different question types that will be created. So we have done in setting your quiz. So the next is the questions now comes. So all we've been doing since is setting our quiz. So we started with the content, microcontroller project questions, and this is the content. The name is just the same thing, question 1, or you can go ahead and take this. I'm gonna copy this, repress here, because I'm gonna check this, change all those questions to question 1, 2, and 3. So the name of this still remains just the same name, and go ahead and minimize this. Alright, so the next one we checked is after content is settings, we set our quiz, the quiz subtitles, and I think I'm gonna change the subtitle to engineering quiz. I'm gonna change it to students engineering quiz. Okay, this is subtitle, and the connected course is my course that I'm creating, or this way. So the duration of this is 10 minutes. You can see that. You can make it 15 or 20. So we can still go ahead and minimize this. And now we concentrate on the questions. So in the next tutorial, we begin to create questions one by one by hitting on create new questions. So thank you and see you in the next tutorial.